If you own a GoPro and you are having troubles trying to get with support or don't know how, from your smartphone, what you're going to be doing is open up the GoPro app. You're going to hit the gear down over here, press it once, get support over here, press it once, go to the support website, hours operation, and the contact right there. If you're online on a desktop or a tablet, you're going to go to GoPro.com. You're going to scroll till you see Contact GoPro Support. It brings you to the same exact page. It is really that easy to get with GoPro. Thank you very much for your time.